Hello to all employers. My name is Alisher Dinamaan. I'm 28 years old, single. I'm high school graduate. My religion is Roman Catholic and my address is Papaya, Cebu, Nueva Vizcaya. And my mother's name is Shirley Dinamaan and my father's name is Alex Dinamaan. I have a siblings, two boys and four girls. I'm the first of my siblings. And my first experience in my employer here in the Philippines, 2016 to 2018, I'm doing like taking care of baby, cooking, washing and do laundry, ironing, marketing, and house cleaning. The age of the children is 15, 9, and 3 years old. Reason to leave is finish my contract to them. And second experience in my employer here in the Philippines, 2019 to 2021, is doing also taking care of baby, cooking, ironing, washing and do laundry, and ironing and marketing and cleaning the house. The age of the children is 2 years old. Reason to leave is I'm finished my contract to them. And my third experience in my employer in abroad, Oman, is 2021 to 2022 is I do also like taking care of baby, cooking, ironing, washing the clothes and cleaning the house. The age of the children is 15, 5 twins and 1 year old. Reason to leaving is my employer my employer is she pregnant again and I can't handle it, and so I break my contract to them. I hope you I hope you choose me. I'm hardworking, honesty, and if you choose me as your helper, I will promise to finish my contract and I will stay with you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.